know that there are tons of job opportunities for people skilled in cybersecurity and ethical hacking? And the best part, you don't need to be a genius to start. Hi there, my name is Victory. Companies are constantly under attack from hackers, so they pay good money to professionals who can secure their data, network, and systems. One, the fastest way to learn ethical hacking is not just by theory, it's through practical hands-on training where you learn by doing. Two, build real-life projects where you work on things like penetration testing and network security. Three, document all what you've learned. Share your projects, your labs on all social media platforms because your portfolio prove your skills to employers. And here at Bizmero Technologies, we offer practical hands-on training on ethical hacking where you build real-life projects and also gain a strong portfolio before you graduate. So if you want to start your ethical hacking today, register at Bizmero Technologies. See you in my next video. Bye!